Hey guys, Deja here, or as many of you know, at the Real Black Carrie Bradshaw. Today I'm doing a beauty review from a product that was sent to me all the way from China. GRINIGH Advanced Tooth Whitening Kit. A totally 100% honest review, unboxing kind of reveal in real time. As you can see, this is still in the plastic, so I have not had a chance to test it out or any of that stuff. This will be directly my initial experience with the product straight to you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and keep on watching. So as I stated, I got this whitening kit, this tooth whitening kit in the mail about a week ago or maybe 2 weeks ago, and I just really haven't had time to do a review on it because I was gonna do it initially, and then when I kind of like looked at the directions and the steps, I'm like, this is gonna take a little time. So I wanted to make sure I had the time so that I could bring you guys a quality review. I will put information in the description box below. There is going to be an Amazon link where this tooth whitening kit will be available for you guys to purchase. It is still in the plastic, so we're just going to go ahead and take it out. Of course, I didn't receive it like this. It actually came in, you know, the envelope and bubble wrap and all of that. But this is the actual product. I guess I'm saying it right. The GRINIGH Advanced Tooth Whitening Kit, and made in China. I really do like the packaging. It's really sleek, kind of lightweight.
It says the contents of the package is a deluxe teeth whitening accelerator, an effective tooth whitening pen, rejuvenation and desensitizing pen, a shade guide, and an instruction leaflet.
So let's kind of go ahead and dig into this. If you are also interested, this product is also available at www.grinigh.com. That's GRNIGH.com. It's also available at dentalseller.com, and I'll put that information in the description box. So you open up the package and it's a cute little baggie here, and inside we do have, these are the tooth whitener accelerator pens. 5 of these pens. I guess it's just a cord, like some little USB cable. Excuse me, y'all. I'm going to get my nails done. I didn't have time before I did this video, so I'm sorry about that. Please disregard. This is the little thing that you see the little girls with on Instagram. Well, I'm feeling like an official Instagram girl like right now. And like, y'all may be asking like, why are you doing a teeth whitening review? Like, already my teeth are hella white. I don't know how this is gonna work out. You know, I guess we'll find out together. This is the shade guide. I don't know like how much whiter. Let's see how. That's always like a hard thing for me because I am also in the process of doing the Secret Veneers. I don't know if you guys have heard of Secret Veneers, and they asked me like what color I wanted. Natural white, or do I do like what they call the Hollywood white? I'm like, I don't want to be walking around looking like Steve Harvey, but I like Steve Harvey, but I just, you know. Anyway, let's just kind of keep going with this here review. It looks really simple. Where do we start? Where are the steps? The directions say that this tooth whitening kit, it claims to be simple, rejuvenated, and no sensitivity, and safe, FDA approved. Okay, so the very first thing that I did was I went and rinsed out my mouthpiece. Actually, I cleaned out this mouthpiece because it had like a film and like some little particles inside it. So I took a toothpick, not a toothpick, I took a Q-tip and I cleaned it inside the top and the bottom tray, and I rinsed it and soaked it in boiling water for maybe 60 seconds or something like that. So now I am going to take this gel and as they said, put it inside. It's black. It's coming out black. Y'all, if this mess my teeth up, because like I said, like y'all can see my teeth are already really white, so why would I put some black on my teeth? Like, I don't know. And if it does work, like if my teeth are already this white, like how you gonna even tell the difference? Like my teeth are really white. You know, the gel is coming out, so we're going to apply it to this here. It says, I think it's gonna work though. I think this may be like the charcoal. You know, they doing the charcoal now, like with the facial mask and the charcoal and stuff like that. So I guess they doing it for the teeth now too. It's supposed to work. So Okay, I think this should be enough. Like, I don't know if you need to put like a thin coat or whatever, but like I want it to be enough, so I am kind of coating it pretty well. The consistency of this is like not like toothpaste, but it is like a gel substance. They send you these 3 cores, I guess because they're adaptable to different devices depending on whether you have an Android or an Apple phone. I've waited for about 15-20 minutes and it still wouldn't come on with my phone, so I decided to take the USB cable and just plug it into my laptop. Now you're supposed to just put it into your mouth and kind of wait for, I'm gonna do it for 5, I'm gonna do mine for about 5 to 7 minutes. Like I said, my teeth are already really white, so let's just kind of put this in and kind of gauge and see what happens. Took it off the USB cord, went into the bathroom, and just kind of rinsed out all of the black residue. I left it on for about 7 minutes. Like, my teeth were already really white, but I will say that it feels really clean. Like, it does give me the effect of like after a dentist appointment. It had a really nice taste to it, not like overly so, but it had a really fresh minty taste to it. The longer I had it in my mouth, obviously the more I salivated. I personally can't tell a difference. You guys let me know in the comments below if you think it made a difference. I would definitely use it again. I would absolutely use it again. I want to say like you could almost feel it working, like you got like a little sensation on your teeth. It could have been, like I said, because of the mint, but I really liked it. I didn't experience any irritation, like nothing abnormal or out of the way happened. I definitely like how it feels. My teeth just feel clean, like they feel like almost like I had a fluoride treatment. If you guys are interested, the information is available in the link below. Summertime is just around the corner, so if you guys have not already checked out my swimsuit haul, be sure to check that video out as well. Leave your comments below. Thanks for stopping. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.